Hello, happy kids! Let's make some sandwiches. Play cooking and learn English vocabulary words. Do you like cooking too? Yes, I like cooking too. Let's play and let's make some sandwiches together.
Yummy!
Let's start. This is a tomato. Tomato's color is red. Let's cut the tomato. Now we have 2 slices of tomato. We will put these tomato slices inside the sandwich. These are the ingredients for our sandwich. This is a cheese. Let's cut the cheese. Let's put the cheese. Let's count how many tomato and cheese slices we have. Single slice of cheese. 2 slices of cheese. 3 slices of cheese. 1 slice of tomato. And 2 slices of tomato. Let's see what we have next. Here we have a bread, a slice of bread. We don't have a loaf of it, but don't worry. I have another slice for you, smiley face. I have a cute mini sliced bread too. Should we combine them all? Right now we have slices of cheese and mini cheese as well. We're going to put the mini cheese for the mini bread. Let's put this cheese for the bigger bread. Same thing for this cheese too. I want to make this one extra cheese. Next, let's put the tomato slices. We also have a mini tomato slice for mini bread too. Here's for the bigger sandwich. Oops. Let's put it in here first. Let's put the tomato slice under the cheese slice. Well, we have more options for the sandwich's filling. Let's combine these sandwich fillings. Here we have some roast beefs. We have some shallots. Last but not least, we have a lettuce. 1 slice of beef. 2 slices of beef. And we have the 3rd slice on the pan. Smaller meat slice for the smaller sandwich. Last meat slice. Look how beautiful and tasty these sandwiches are. Let's put some shallots for the taste. We only have 2 slices of shallots. So let's put the lettuce for the other sandwich. Wow, what a tasty looking sandwich. But we need to rearrange the fillings from the bigger to smaller size. Let's see and compare which fillings are bigger and smaller. Let's arrange these foods according to their size. So we start from the biggest. That means we start from the bread. First, a slice of bread. Second, a slice of tomato. Third, a lettuce. Fourth, the roast beef slice. The fifth or last, the cheese slice. Let's serve this sandwich. Wow, the colors combination is pretty. How much would you rate this sandwich? I will give it 9 out of 10. Let's rearrange the second sandwich. Let's separate these fillings first. And then we're going to compare their size. Let's start from the biggest to smallest. First, a slice of bread. Second, a slice of tomato. For the third, let's put the roast beef slice. Next, a slice of cheese. Next, shallot is bigger than the mini cheese slice. This cutie patootie is the last filling.
Yummy!
What a colorful sandwich! How much would you rate this sandwich? I'll give it 9 out of 10 too. This sandwich looks scrumptious and flavorful. And also cheesy because it got to slice of cheese. And this last mini sandwich. Let's rearrange it. Let's separate all fillings and comparing them all. In here we have mini slice of tomato. And also mini slice of cheese. And cannot forget the bread too. It seems we know which filling is the biggest. Yes, the biggest one is shallot. Let's put the shallot first. For the second layer, we put the roast beef. For the third layer, we use the mini bread. Next layer, we use mini tomato. Lastly, let's put the mini cheese. We've just finished the mini sandwich. It looks super delicious. Would you like to eat these sandwiches? Of course you do, because I will eat it too. Let's eat these sandwiches together. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet again in another video. I'll see you soon.